By yourself.
All right, let me see. How come you know how to do it by yourself? Huh? Because why? You gonna show me? Yeah. No. You think you got this? Ooh. That's one part of it, huh? That's one part of the job. You did it before? Don't smash your finger. You need some help? You got it? Yeah, you might need some assistance with that. Get that other side going, huh? I'm gonna help you out, okay? You got one side, you did it last time. Push. Click. Click. Almost. That's what you click. Come on, let's make it click. Watch your fingers. There you go. Gotta know the phone. There you go. You want to click that one?
Yeah.
You good? Click it. Got it. Okay, you good?
Yeah.
All right. You ready for Monsters University to finish watching it?
Yeah.
All right.
You
Okay. Yeah, all right. Good. I see you. What are we watching here? You forgot?
We just work with old hairstyles. Listen, mature students. 30 years in the textile industry, and then old Danny Don got downsized. Figure I could throw myself.
All right, and you're out.